Hi, I'm Mike.
And I'm Molly.
And welcome to another edition of
Behind the Drywall.
And we're with Virtuoso Builders, of course, here in San Antonio. And on this house, we're actually in north central San Antonio at a house that we've been working on for a little bit and wanted to show you the progress that we've made since probably the last time that you were able to see this house.
If you missed any of our previous videos, you can just go back to our YouTube page and see how the befores were from this and now how this has progressed. And we're like on the finish line with this one. We're in the home stretch.
In the home stretch. There is light at the end of the tunnel now.
Yeah. So last time we had a wall right here with
plastic wall and a plastic wall here. Another one over there to seal off this part of the house. But now we can kind of walk through and see where we're at. Boxes here, of course, are appliances that will be going in about 3 or 4 days. But as we walk on Monday, but as we walk through, you can see the cabinets that are now installed.
In one of the earlier videos, we showed you a little sample board of what that color was going to be. So now, here they are.
This is the color.
It's real.
Yeah, it is real. So we have, as you can see, I believe it was a Sherwin-Williams color.
Yes.
Right, a blue. So we have all the upper cabinets, adjustable shelves that are in here on all of the uppers, all the soft close as well. Same with the drawers. This is actually space for a beverage refrigerator. The backsplash just went in this morning.
Yeah.
Right, they're going to grout it here in a little bit.
They're waiting on us right now.
I believe there was
they want to come in.
Yeah, I believe there was a question about direction, right, Molly?
Yeah. So this is a really versatile tile. Our clients wanted to do it vertically, which I'm really excited about.
It's really neat. Also, next week we'll be putting the hardware on the cabinets, so that'll kind of add a little bit of flair to it, a little different color.
Yeah. We've got the farmhouse sink.
We can peel this up a little bit for you.
I can show you what it looks like, but you got to protect your countertops as soon as they go in. So that's what it looks like. And then we've got next week, along with the appliances going in, is going to be the plumbing fixtures. So we've got a black matte single set faucet that's going to go here, which is nice because it matches the black trim on there. And we also have a decorative lighting piece over here. It's a nice black matte luce fixture with some gold in it. So we've got a lot of the gold accents. Yeah, so it's all coming together.
So we're real close, and this is a quartz countertop that we have on here. Now, I know this might be the industrial look, but really we're putting a vent hood in here, which will be on Monday. Gas cooktop, so really everything's coming together. We're real close. Obviously you can see the blank spots where the appliances go. We have a spice drawer actually right here.
Yes, I love.
Which is all for spices. There's also a trash drawer right here.
Yeah, a double trash.
And of course everything is soft close. And
very nice.
One other cool feature that we did where some people do not want to see plugs anywhere. So actually behind this light I have what's called a plug mold. It might be hard to see, but it's a strip of plugs right here. So it's just that way you don't have anything on the splash and you can really see the splash for what it is.
You're the lighting master.
I am the guru.
You're the lighting guru.
That's right. So I think that's really about it for here. Probably the next time we're here, it's all going to be done.
It'll all be done.
Yeah.
So we'll have some beautiful photos of those when this is all complete, and then we can share those with you as well. So we hope you guys have a wonderful time in these beautiful holiday season. We're
Happy
very
holidays.
excited about it. 2021 has been cray-cray, but we're just all
fine.
alive, and we're very happy, healthy, and excited that you guys are joining us today. So we'll see you next time on Behind the Drywall.
Thank you.
Bye.